Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today is day 10 of 12 days of arts and coffees. That's where I do an art or craft while drinking some interesting coffees. That means we gotta pick a coffee out of our box again. I'm gonna shuffle it up with my hands. What do we get? We got caramel vanilla. What a very vanilla flavor. Haha. Alright, I'm gonna go and make my coffee and pick out my present for the day, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got my coffee. It smells very generic, but let's give it a try. Yeah, I feel like it tastes like coffee you would get at a diner. Not super flavored or anything. It's not bad. And this is the gift I chose. It has a bunch of triangles on it. It's very cool. Making my camera freak out because of all the reflection. But let's open it to see what's in here. A crossbody bag? DIY crossbody bag. 6 adhesive patches. Color, peel, and stick. Create your keychain, store, and style. It's a fanny pack. Are they calling fanny packs like crossbodies now? Looks pretty cute. Oh, they're indented. That's so weird how they're indented that way. Looks like it only comes with 4 colors. Why is that the norm? 1, 2, 3. Like you color it, you peel it, and then it's done. 4 mini markers, white wool, 1 pom-pom, 1 tassel, 4 star beads, 1 plastic needle, and 1 hook. Oh no, we're not knitting again, please. Trying to think of an art supply that will color on fabric because those 4 colors are not enough. Ooh, it's a nice like lavender color. Also, we got a blue sheet instead of a hollow sheet this time. Ah, the smell of fake leather. Is there instructions? Like, how do I do this keychain and tassel thing? Okay, I guess I don't get to know how to do that. Maybe they're in the crossbody bag. Markers. Mushroom. Heart. Teddy. Bow. Lipstick. And old school cell phone. Got a pom-pom. Tassel. Our charms and needle. Okay, let me see what's inside the bag, if there is. No, there's nothing inside the bag. It is blue though. That's cute. Honestly, this is not going to fit me, but I could trade this out. I could use it as a real fanny pack and pencil case. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see what it's gonna take to get this on me. Okay, I can't get it around my head and shoulder. First, I'm gonna make the keychain thing just because I don't think coloring is really gonna take that long on these. I don't know why they have like this weird colored outline either. A bit odd. Where is the end? Oh my god. I'm gonna start ripping. Ah, there it is. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to take a guess at how this works together. These ones are not snipped apart. Is that gonna be a problem? I'm guessing you tie a knot at the end of this string and you push the needle through this part here, like go through here like that. Do I happen to have like a bead I could just use instead of a knot? I still have this stuff from yesterday's kit. There are pearls. Maybe I could use some of the pearls as a stopper if I can get to any. Bag of the wreck right now. I'll put 2 on just to be safe. I think I'll tie it around this one. I don't want to tie them together too, just so that they're like maybe wide instead of tall. Something like that. I don't know. I just want to be extra secure. This needle is kind of comically big. I'm gonna tie 1 loop around it. Hopefully that's enough. Separate it best I can. Trying to aim for the center. Close enough. Oh my god, is this gonna go through actually? Uh-oh. Was I supposed to do this a different way? This might not go through. Didn't think about that, did I? Like there's 1 single image on the box here that shows you like how you can put it together, but it doesn't say how to get this on. They also show their rope as more of a yarn and not like the fishing wire stretchy cord we got? Was it that one loose one I wrapped around? But it's coming out of the top here. And it looks like it was a mistake, not like purposefully done. Maybe I could just shove it through. Okay, I have like a paper clip. I'll try. I'm gonna ruin this thing by the time I get it to work. I guess I could just tie it around this and hopefully it won't be noticeable. I mean, I'll notice. Do I need these beads anymore? I guess I don't need those beads anymore. I'm gonna do another knot just in case though. Brush it back down. Oh man. 18 minutes in and we did nothing. Like, what is this needle for? If it wasn't for that. For the pom-pom, maybe? Star bead. Oh, I want to put it on the other way. Actually, it matters. Because the holes are in the star, so 1 point is up and 2 points are down. Okay? It matters. That way it'll sit over the knot I made better. See? Alright, I guess this is what we needed the needle for. I'm hoping it'll go through. Like, this is a big needle. I don't know why it's so big. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way. Oh, wow, I made it through. I'm kind of impressed. But is it in center? No. They're gonna rip off? Doesn't seem like it. It was in center enough. All right, get rid of that. And put stars on here so their bottoms are all on the bottom. Bring it along. Guess we tie another knot here. Why didn't we get instructions for this? Like, I get it. It's a simple kit, but like, no instructions for how to make the keychain, and you just expect us to know what to do with this needle. That didn't work in the tassel part. Oh my god, I can't even grab it. I'm gonna tie this a million times. Hopefully I tied it enough times and it won't come undone. And I'm irritated that this is not in center of the pom-pom, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Here we have our keychain part. I'll stick it on at the end. Here we have our 4 colors. I wanna maybe test them out on stickers I don't really like that much. The only sticker I really like is like the mushroom and the cell phone. Like the rest of these are a bit too femme for me, but what do you expect when it comes to like a little purple crossbody bag for kids? Well, look at that. Look at that tip. Oh my gosh. Should zoom in. Whee! Yeah, the markers are bleeding out quite a bit. I think any marker would probably do over this. Okay, I'm gonna color in the bear a little bit. And now I'm gonna grab some alcohol markers. Little pastel purple bear. A little bit too pastel. Grab this one. That's blue. What the heck? Okay, we're gonna have a blue tie-dye looking bear now. You know the one from back in the day. I'm gonna make my mushroom orange. I could use this one for yellow because that's what I'm gonna use. Color it anyways. I don't want the cake to be blue, I'm not gonna lie. Don't know why it's screaming blue to me. I'm sure for everybody else it was screaming pink. I'll leave the icing fluff white. Ink little button. This will make the rest of it blue. Oh no, my pink button turned purple. Alright, lippy stick. Make it more of like a blush color or orangey color, whatever this color is. Now I want to maybe add some sparkle to them if possible. They all have like this like fake gold outline. I'm gonna try this one. I'll try it on the phone since it has the like least complicated outline. I want to make the buttons colored gold too, since we kind of lost them when I colored them. Pretty cute, right? Can I keep it up for the rest of them though? So small. I'm actually gonna grab silver for part of this lipstick here. The silver is not working as nice as the gold did just now. That's weird. Let that dry over there. Oh no, that's what I was afraid of. Should get that little piece of paper out. Hold on. Don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. Here we go. Now I'm not so scared to draw my silicone mat. Okay, how about we write love in the gold too? Because I definitely accidentally put my finger over top of this that had gold ink on it. Now the bear. I'm doing the bow last because it has the most complicated outline and it also happens to be the most wrinkled one. Okay, now it's time for the bow. All that's left is to decorate. I'm gonna do that now. I'm curious to know how these stickers are going to hold up over time. This one here. Ew. The sticky part is like, it came off onto my fingers. Gross, I hate it. So I'm guessing this is a special kind of glue that's going to stick to this fabric, hopefully. Hurry up, I want to go wash my hands so bad. I want this one over here. Eel. Oh, there's where that one went. Eel. Mushroom is my favorite one, I think. I'll put this one over here where it was like mysteriously sitting there. A little close to the bear. And peel it back up. I guess that's the question. Oh, I can. And it left a residue on the bag. Perfect. Gross. Eel. Oh, maybe we should have some like on the upper lid. I have like the stickiness all over my fingers. You're just gonna get on the rest of the bag. Hopefully that's in the center. That bear like came back up. I'm worried it doesn't have enough stick on it now. Oh no. Still have room right here. I know. Why don't we use one from yesterday's project? I don't have any faith in this one staying on forever, but I could see a little ocelotl, axolotl. I forget which one's which. Okay. All right there. I feel like that one went on the best. All right, my coffee's done. That must mean the project's done. So here it is in all its glory. I'll go ahead and puff it up for you guys so you can see it, like, in use. Okay, well that just fell apart. Cool. It's okay. I didn't like that part anyways. Alright, so here it is. I've just put some markers in here to help visualize it being fuller. If anyone's curious, I did use some rubbing alcohol to rub away the extra adhesive that was there, and it's gone now. There's still some on the side because I didn't do it good enough. And I used a cotton swab like this. But for my hands, I used warm water and Dawn soap. Now that it's puffed up, I see all these empty areas I could stick stickers. The coffee was... Even though it was very basic, I think it was still like a 4 out of 5 because it would be a flavor I would drink on the day-to-day. And for the project, because it wasn't really a theme I loved, and the stickers are like already coming up and the keychain broke and there wasn't any instructions for the keychain, I'm gonna take some points off. So I think I'm gonna rate this a 3 out of 5 chi heads. Just because of those reasons. I'll insert some clips of someone modeling the bag for me. Isn't it cute? Adorable. And what a great model we had. What a good boy. Don't worry, he got plenty of treats afterwards. But that is going to be it for me today. If you guys want to check out the last 12 days of arts and coffees, you can tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!